Hello and welcome to today's Tech Tip. Today we're going to be showing you another great productivity tool when doing some programming on your part, and that is the control key. Now of course that's using the control key and then clicking on a feature. So for example, if we have this plane on top of the part, we can do a control click on one of the actual measurements of the plane. And you have to remember is the control key, just remember it's additive. So it's always going to add a new feature. So I have a 3-point plane up here. I want to have another 4th point. Maybe if I want to have it after the second measurement, that's the one I'm going to click. So I'm going to hold the control key down. I'm going to click on the second measurement on that plane. And now I'm going to move it around and pick a new location for it and click again and let go. So it's additive. It adds another measurement after the one you click. And that works the same with circle measurements too, for example. So I'm going to hold the control key down and I'm going to click on the actual measurement that's touching the part. I'm going to put another one over here in between the other two. So there again, it's additive. It's going to add another measurement to the group of measurements that create that feature. One final thing too, you can see I have a blue connector that's going through the part. It's crashing. So we can do the same thing with that. It's going to be additive. We're going to add a probe move onto that blue connector. So if we hold the control key down, we're going to click on the blue connector and you can actually move it. So now we're moving it up and it's always going to put a probe move at the center of the blue connector line, no matter where you pick. So I'll just click again to drop it off, and it's as far as the in and out direction, that probe move is in the same plane as the view that we're looking at right now. So as I rotate the part, it's not going to be way off out in space. Okay, and you can see of course that probe move is put at the exact center, the middle of what was the blue connector. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.